Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Ammonite Soft Goodman Handle. So this is a really handy sort of multi-purpose Goodman handle because it doesn't have to be specifically for a Ammonite torch. It can fit virtually any torch out there. Right now I've got it fitted with a Solaris head. Of course it doesn't come with this. I'm just showing you how it fits. So you have these bungee straps that loop over and then sort of go over this little hook on the handle itself. Very strong bungee, and that's really not going anywhere, trust me. If I pull it out, I can show you how it works. So that's the handle itself. So the handle is made out of Delrin, which is a very tough and resilient sort of plastic polymer. You've got two sort of sections of bungee, one that is your locking mechanism that goes over the head of the umbilical torch or just the handheld torch, and that then hooks in underneath this little hook, and that just ensures that your torch is held in there really securely. And then to go around your hand, you have this section of bungee, which is completely adjustable. So depending on what size your hand or what size your glove you're wearing, and that's bungee as well, so that's going to stay nice and tight and not sort of slip around even as you descend. So a handy little sort of accessory for especially umbilical torches or just any torches so that you can use them hands-free. That's the Ammonite Soft Goodman Handle. Thanks for watching. Safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.